What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Summit Life. And while I was gone last weekend, apparently Faith kind of destroyed the Gallardo and made it filthy dirty. What were you doing this weekend?
Now, don't say that. I didn't destroy anything.
No, you had a good time, right?
I did get it dirty though, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, if you guys didn't watch our previous video, I kind of had a little date weekend with the Lambo. And it's really dirty.
In today's video, we have major plans for the Gallardo and we cannot work on it while it is dirty. So we're gonna do a quick montage, one of Faith's famous detailing montages.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now that the Gallardo is clean, I think we can commence with today's video. It got dirty because I actually took it to the lake and went paddleboarding with Sal, so thanks for cleaning it up for me.
We still have the inside where all the sand is left.
Okay, I'll do the inside later. I hope you are still liking the pink because I'm still in love with it. Are you still in love with it?
I have no plans on changing it.
Cool, good, glad to hear it. This color is extremely obnoxious, and I think in today's video we are going to make the car even a little bit more obnoxious.
Yeah, we're gonna double down on the obnoxicity.
If you guys are current on social media, you'll know that a very cool mod is coming back in fashion for cars, and that is Underglow.
Yeah, Underglow used to be a huge hit in the late 90s, early 2000s, back when I first started getting into cars. And it went away. Back then it was called Neon. Now it's just called Underglow. And we actually installed an Underglow kit on my wide body Pandem Porsche in a couple videos ago. It's a huge hit. Most of you liked it. I love it. And we're gonna actually install that on the Gallardo today so that it looks like more like a spaceship, has a pink underglow to it.
All right, so we got an Underglow kit. We got this on Amazon, right?
Yeah, we got it on Amazon a bunch of months ago.
And it works really well in the Cayman, so we figured why not get the same one?
And it's $80.
$80.
So
that's a deal.
It's a deal. So this kit being 80 bucks is very, very basic and simple. And there are so many different kits out there and different ways to wire Underglow. Today we're gonna go with the most simple method, see if we like it. Maybe in the future we'll upgrade to a nicer one. But I already have a game plan. And that plan includes starting up here in the front trunk. The battery is actually located right here, which makes it so simple to drop below and into the front bumper here. We're gonna wire it below there. Along the side, we're gonna go around the wheel, along the side skirt here, around the wheel, and
wait.
What?
Wait, we can't show the wheels. I just realized we haven't even showed them the new wheels yet.
Oh, we haven't showed you guys. We've had them on for a couple of weeks, but check them out.
So guys, these are wheels off of a Huracan, which is really cool. And my favorite thing is, take a look, it's kind of like a flower, which I think really matches the pink.
And I think the best part is the gloss black color of the wheels. It matches the bicolore color scheme we have going on the Gallardo. So overall, we are pretty stoked on the new wheels for the Gallardo.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, these are probably my favorite set of wheels that we have for this thing. Since you're down here, check out our new tires.
Yeah, these new tires are awesome. We picked up a set of Kumo Exta PS 91s for the Gallardo. These are high performance summer tires, and Kumo is our brand new channel sponsor. Now, we didn't just throw Kumo tires on the Gallardo because they're a channel sponsor, but I've actually had a long relationship with Kumo tires. I had a set of these exact tires on the Cayman before we wide bodied it when it was gray. Do you have a photo of that?
I'm sure I can find one.
All right, cool. I was actually pleasantly surprised when I had those tires on my Cayman, and I loved them, and now we have them on the Gallardo, and they've been treating us fantastic for the last 2 weeks. We've been rocking them.
The reason I'm really excited for this new channel sponsor is because we have 7 vehicles, which means 28 tires.
Oh, we have 8 vehicles. We bought the Razor. So we have 30, quick math.
32. 32 tires. Now, if you guys haven't heard of Kumo tires, I'm gonna be quite surprised because they've been in the tire business for over 60 years. And the best part about Kumho tires is over the 60 years of engineering and manufacturing, they've managed to stay environmentally friendly.
And also stay tuned for some future projects partnered with Kumho, including some giveaways, which will be very, very fun. But let's get this Underglow installed.
Now, as we were about to install the lights, a client showed up with a beautiful R8. It's a V10.
It's a V10.
V10.
Although I don't know if it's a V10 Plus or not.
Regardless, they showed up right as we were about to install the lights, and we had to kind of get it washed and put in the garage before a huge storm came in. So that is why that is here. And now
Now we're ready.
Whoa, Sal! Check out the cool merch on this. Oh, Kumho tires? You're rocking the Kumho tire shirt today? That looks good on you. What's first, boss?
We need to take this out.
So right off the bat, I saw a couple screws right here and right here, so I'm just gonna assume that those have to come out. So those are the only screws I could find. Got it out.
What's next, Doc?
Well, I found 2 more bolts.
Any more screws?
No, as
Okay.
far as I know. So I'm just gonna start trying to take it out, I guess.
Ooh. Good try.
Thanks. let's
Back to work.
ignore that just happened. Yay!
Dang, you're a pro Lambo trunk getter outer.
So I'm gonna take a wild guess here and say that the next step is to hardwire the lights to the battery and run them under the car.
Yes, and I just realized that there's these weird vents right here.
Oh, perfect.
See?
So we can slip them right through there?
Yep.
This is definitely a trunk I could fit in. Oh, this is much roomier. We should definitely convert this front trunk into a hot tub somehow.
A hot tub. We could do a pool.
So we just show up to car meets and it's just a hot tub for just me.
Okay, let's do it.
It's okay, you can say that's a stupid idea.
I'm not going to say it's a stupid idea because it's great. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Boom! This is bright.
It works. Yay. Looking good, my friend. Looking good. Sal, you know what? I think you need some underglow. See how that would look. Nice.
All right, check this out. I just connected with Bluetooth.
Ooh. It's gonna look like something out of Tokyo.
Tokyo Drift.
Yeah.
All right, Faith, you are up. We got some isopropyl alcohol here, a towel. You got to clean the areas that we're gonna stick to, because that's literally that's left. We just got to stick it on and make sure the wires don't get caught on anything.
Thanks, Lamborghini. That's really convenient.
They have a pre-built-in car lift for you to install LEDs. Underglow.
All right, we got one side done and we turned on the lights and this looks really dang good. And I mean like really, really good. Like I'm not dissing you, Clayton, but the Cayman, the Underglow looks cool. But on this, it looks like really, really freaking cool.
Yeah, it looks like
Do you
10 times
agree?
better on this.
Way better on this.
Can you go get me one more zip tie?
Yes, I will be helpful.
Wrong one. Thank you.
Okay. Done.
Okay, the car's 95% complete. We just have to reassemble the trunk. All right, now,
Unveiling.
all right, turn them on.
Moment of truth.
That looks so good.
Looks more than 10 times better than the Cayman, probably a million times.
It does look
better than the
way better than Cayman.
The sun went down really, really fast, as you can see, but I think we got some fire roller shots. I cannot wait for you to see them. You have not seen them yet.
Did you get some fire?
Absolutely, I got a lot of fire. What do you guys think? I think this turned out, like I said, a billion times better than the Cayman. Every time I say it, I think I go up in increments, but 1 billion times better than the Cayman. The pink fits it so well.
Like the Cayman, I was a little skeptical about putting Underglow on the car, but guys, this turned out so much better than I could even imagine. I can't wait to see the roller shots.
Yeah, I thought maybe it would turn it a little ricer.
Yeah.
But I think it accents it very nice. How about this for ricer?
No, still cool.
How about that one?
Still cool.
That one.
Ooh, party. Ooh. We could have a rave out here. Oh, okay, white.
How about white?
White looks
we'll leave it for
really
white for
cool,
the rest of the
actually.
video. Before we end the video, I want to give a huge shout out to Faith and her new SpongeBob's.
Okay, I'm not even wearing the best ones. What I should be wearing is our mountain socks.
Yes, me too. I'm not wearing them.
Before we end the video, we want to give another big, huge shout out to Kumo Tires again for sponsoring this video.
So go show them some love because Kumo Tires made this video possible. I love the Gallardo. I love the Underglow. I cannot wait to show it off to the homies.
And guys, if you love or even hate it, let us know in the comments below.
But until the next video, peace.
I know you guys love it though. You know what I also love? This RAV10 in the garage. We need more cars.